In the 6 years of staying organized using a bullet journal, I've tried and created 62 completely unique and functional spreads. This video will be a quick categorized flip through of all of them to inspire you with your own planner. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and comment which spread you plan to try next. Let's get to it. For cover pages, we've got a bullet journal cover page, this year's cover page, a word of the year, and an index. For productivity is your current morning routine, tips to reset your sleep schedule, this one's on the blog if you'd like to read it in full, strategies for working from home, regular maintenance habits or tasks I'd like to do daily, a habit tracker, lifestyle habits goals bars. I've spoken a lot about this one too. I'll include a link below that discusses it more. Ways to set the mood for motivation, quick tips to get motivated or a motivation process. The full spread for this one is also on my blog. All of these are linked below. Gym motivation, and a workout moves bank for writing your own. Under meals and recipes, number 15 is types of coffee to order or make, favorite recipes, food groups tracker, meal planner and tracker. Next is organization and strategy. Number 19, monthly events calendar, monthly deadlines planner, planning my notes and organization system, my bullet journal system, a winter break plan, and a finance tracker. Decorative starts with number 25, which is graphic design guidelines. Again, this is a printable on my blog, and I'll leave the link in the description. A mood board, title font ideas, a washi tape swatch, nice things to draw, a diary cover page, a coloring page, journaling pages, travel sketching, nature sketches and drawing or painting practice, a drawing challenge, an empty spread I never filled in, these happen, a countdown to an event, like Christmas. In the introspective category, number 38, what does success mean to you? Mental health strategies for when I'm feeling low. Favorite quotes, I can never seem to fill this one in. Things I like about me, things I like about the world, about me self-branding spread, drafting my toolkit tattoo. The next category is lifelong learning. Number 45 is reasons you love to learn. This week in learning, cool things you'd like to learn someday, books to read categorized, reading challenge. Number 50 is notes from a book I read, notes from a lecture, course, or class, online learning platforms to try, favorite podcasts, podcast recommendations, and a blog post outlining plan. And finally, wrapping it up with to-do lists. Number 56 is fun stuff to do in your free time, things to do when you're bored, a summer bucket list, a life bucket list, or what I call an apocalypse. My full list is posted on my blog, long-term projects, milestones of the year, and number 62, spread ideas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.